I said, you look familiar.
A few weeks back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Angelique Perrin from Cafe Mocha, Westwood One. And speed.
So on the surface, you're that guy who's trying to collect on a debt, but it seems you have a fascination with Mark Wahlberg's character. Can you explain it?
Yeah, Neville, he's definitely business minded, and he wants his money, but he sees something in Jim that reminds him of himself. Jim is not just the typical chronic gambler addict in that sense of the word. He sees Mark searching for something to get out of his existence, out of his mundane life, whatever people might, they say the grass is always greener. Right. And for Jim, he was tired of teaching students who didn't want to learn. He was tired of, writing books that would be reviewed by people he didn't respect, for whatever. Neville was tired of seeing the same old BS, people, trying to run game on him, I'll get your money, these, the typical, excuses for not having his money, and they had something in common. It was a cat and mouse relationship, and he saw that Jim wanted more out of life, and Neville did too. He's ready to change his life. He wanted to own an avocado farm.
Well, last time we spoke, you said that you don't see your characters as bad guys. So how do you see Neville, if not as?
I don't see none. You're right. I definitely don't see none of my characters as bad guys. I don't see none of my characters as good guys. I see my characters as human, flawed humans, just like we all are. We all got good and bad in all of us, and I play my characters from that aspect only. Neville, is a guy that that made a way for himself in the underground world of Los Angeles, and wants to make money. He wants to support his family. He wants to be happy, settle down like everybody else. It just so happens he makes his money, illegally. It's not a good or a bad thing. It is what it is. I don't judge, and he's also ready to move on. I think he's at a crossroad in his life, and when Jim comes in, Jim brings a certain excitement to him. I love the line where he says, Jim, you actually paid me my money. You know how rare that is? Somebody pays me my money, and I don't have to break their legs and all this drama. And I think he liked that in Jim.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Happy
holiday.
holiday.